Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. Today we are making turmeric body scrub. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to show some love to this video by giving me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, share my video, and also please do not forget to subscribe. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all the love and support. So guys, sit back, relax, let's dive into the video. So these the ingredients we'll be using. In here I have 500 grams of white sugar, half cup of honey, a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 lemon juice. White sugar is one of the best natural beauty ingredients to exfoliate your skin. White sugar moisturizes dry skin, exfoliates dead skin, and boosts skin circulation. Turmeric has a lot of benefits on the skin. It fights eczema, it lightens scars and marks, it treats acne, reduces dark circles, lightens hyperpigmentations, and it also deals with dull skin. So if you're trying to clear up some dark areas in your body, so turmeric is there for you. It will help you to clear up all those dark spots from your body. Raw honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a great product to use for acne. Honey is an effective pore cleanser and gentle exfoliator. Honey relieves sunburn and fights against acne and breakouts. Lemon juice on the skin eliminates tan and lightens dark spots, prevents oily skin, increases collagen production, and treats acne. So let's proceed. First, I add in the turmeric into the sugar, stir very well, then I'll go in with the honey, stir very well as well. Then I go in with the lemon juice. This scrub will give your skin a natural glow and brighten dark spots and combat aging skin. Your skin will feel very soft and refreshed after using this scrub. You can use this scrub in the bikini area, your inner thighs, underarms, your knees, your neck, etc. So these are scrub. I'll transfer this into a jar. Make sure to cover very well, okay, in an airtight container, and cover very well. So how to use the scrub: soak your body with warm water, then you apply the scrub on your skin in a circular motion. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, then you rinse it off thoroughly. And make sure to moisturize your skin after scrubbing your body, okay? Then you can use this once in a week. I won't advise twice in a week because turmeric is very active, so you can use this once a week. Hope you've learned 1 or 2 things from this video, and I hope you are going to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to show some love to this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, like subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye.